After preparing a homemade ginger and garlic juice, often used as a natural remedy, most people throw away the leftover pulp without a second thought. However, these remains are far from useless. In fact, they still contain powerful natural compounds that can be reused in the garden. With just warm water, a little time, and a small amount of neem oil, this kitchen waste can be turned into an effective, natural plant spray. This simple method not only reduces waste, but also provides plants with gentle protection and support. Start by gathering all the ginger and garlic pulp left after juicing. Even after extraction, these fibrous remains still hold sulfur compounds, allicin, and natural oils that are valuable for plant care. Place the pulp into a clean bottle or container and add warm water. Not hot, as high temperatures can damage the beneficial properties. Secure the lid and shake the container well to help release the remaining active compounds into the water. Once mixed, keep the bottle in a shaded place at room temperature for 24 hours. During this resting period, the water absorbs the natural elements from the ginger and garlic. A light fermentation process takes place, strengthening the solution. A strong smell may develop, which is completely normal, and indicates that the mixture is properly infusing. After 24 hours, strain the liquid using a clean cloth or fine fabric. Slowly pour the mixture through the cloth into another container, gently pressing to extract as much liquid as possible. The filtered liquid will be used for spraying, while the remaining solids can be added to compost so nothing goes to waste. Pour the strained liquid into a spray bottle for easy use. Add a small amount of neem oil, which is well known for its natural pest-repelling and plant-protecting qualities. Close the bottle and shake thoroughly so the oil blends evenly with the solution. Since oil and water naturally separate, always shake the bottle before spraying. This homemade spray can be applied to leaves, stems, and even the soil around plants. It is especially helpful in discouraging pests such as aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied insects. The strong aroma of ginger and garlic works as a natural repellent, while neem oil helps disrupt pest activity, creating a balanced and chemical-free plant care solution. For best results, spray early in the morning or late in the evening when sunlight is mild. Apply a light, even mist, rather than soaking the plants. Using the spray once or twice a week is usually enough, particularly during times when pests are more active. With regular use, this practice supports a healthier garden. Plants grow stronger when pest pressure is reduced, and the soil benefits as natural compounds gradually break down and enrich it. Reusing kitchen leftovers in this way also promotes a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to gardening. By giving ginger and garlic remains a second life, you create a complete cycle from kitchen to garden. What starts as a household remedy ingredient becomes a natural plant-supporting spray. It is simple, practical, and effective, helping you protect your plants naturally while making better use of everyday resources.